Good morning, fellow traders. Bob here. It's time for the Good Morning Market Prep for Monday, November the 16th, 2020. I hope everybody had a wonderful weekend and a great night last night. This is brought to you by Positive Trends Research, and everything we're going to talk about is for educational purposes only and not investment advice, so please take a moment to review this disclaimer. Awesome. Good. All right, let's check and see where we left off the market on Friday. So SPX monthly chart, right, gave a pretty decent push up there. We're over the upper Bollinger Band. Weekly chart, is it going to turn into a doji sandwich where it's a measured move up, right? Up, doji sandwich, up. So we'll see how that goes today. So far, the futures are looking like they're trying. Let's take a look at the SPY and see how that's behaving here this morning. So again, not as much volume that we'd like to see on Friday to get us super bullish over the weekend, but the market doesn't care, right? So it just is continue to work its way up. We just got a pop on some Moderna news, so we'll see how that goes today. The S&P futures just gave a big pop over the signal zone right here as they approach all-time highs, if you can believe it. So a couple of the big things that we're keeping an eye on here is this geometric line, and the signal zones that we provide to our members. Let's take a look at the MES here this morning. Again, geometric lines are going to be key. So we're just going to keep an eye on those here today and see if these highs can hold it, if the bulls continue to push us up to all-time high, and if we're really in a larger macro wave 3 of a macro wave 5. So we'll see how that goes going into today. Let's take a look at the Qs here this morning. Okay, so the Qs, interestingly, a little bit divergent right here, right? So we're breaking down below this upward channel. It's kind of interesting. We got a nice gap up this morning. There was some strength in tech names in Europe, but we see the Nasdaq kind of breaking down here this morning despite the market's rally. We saw a lot of divergences on Friday, so we're definitely going to be tracking that today. The IWM obviously likes any vaccine news, so that's working its way up here, and the XLF likes it too because they can lend money, right? So when there's more people out there doing their stuff. Let's take a look at Apple here this morning. Again, pulling back again. Apple's actually a little bit kind of under the spotlight right now about their privacy issues with the iPhone here this morning. So that's definitely one to keep an eye on today. See what kind of action we got on it. We got a couple levels that could be tested below from Friday. Let's take a look at Tesla. So Tesla gapping up here this morning. They had a successful SpaceX launch this weekend. And so we could see a little bit of action on this one. So we'll see how that goes going into the rest of the day. So good stuff. Thank you so much for watching. If you want to get more in-depth video coverage on the stocks or setups that are on our radar, be sure to join our group or subscribe to the Bubble Report for more morning analysis. The Bubble Report includes S&P 500 review, also a market profile game plan on the S&P futures, sector updates, gappers, orbs, unusual option activity, economic calendar, and we also have Elliott wave counts that are on our radar made by Algo 382. Be sure to click the link at the end of this video to subscribe today.